When you merge two branches that have both moved forward since they split, you get what's called diverging history, and this is where Git needs to do a little more work. Here's what that looks like. You branch off main at point A. Main continues forward with commits B and C. Your branch goes its own direction with commits D and E. Now when you want to merge, Git can't just fast forward. Both branches have unique history that needs to be combined. The solution is a merge commit. A merge commit is the only commit in Git that has two parents. It represents the moment two separate histories become one. Here's how Git creates it. First, it finds the merge base, the closest common ancestor of both branches. In this case, that's point A, the commit where they split. Then it takes the changes from both branches and combines them into a single new commit. We'll call it F. That commit points back to both C and E as its parents. From that point forward, main now contains the full history of both branches. Two histories, one commit. That's a merge commit.